Like the grizzly bear, wagons are a rare sight in North America. Fortunately, one of the breed remains strong, the Subaru Outback. The lifted Subie has been the fittest of survivors, with US sales topping 150,000 in 2015. It's really more like a different bear, the North American black bear, which is easily spotted in many parts of the USA and Canada. The Outback masquerades as a crossover utility vehicle, riding on a slightly raised suspension for more ground clearance, but it's a legacy station wagon in every other respect. This configuration has proved so popular, though, that Subaru stopped offering the non-Outback Legacy wagon in the US some time ago. The Outback 3.6R touring tested here is powered by an engine configuration that's also on the brink of extinction, a horizontally opposed, naturally aspirated 6-cylinder. Otherwise found only in the top trim Subaru Legacy, this flat 6 accounts for roughly 15% of total Outbacks sold. We suspect a version of it may also appear in the upcoming Ascent 3-row SUV, but outside of Subaru's powertrain lineup, the free-breathing flat 6 is nearly as dead as the Tucker 48 and the Chevrolet Corvair, now that Porsche has followed the downsize-and-turbocharge-it path. Subaru's dual-camera EyeSight system covers all the advanced safety technology bases, providing adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking.